Jai Hind, my dear students. Algebraic expression. Expression that contain variable and constant are called algebraic expressions. The letters such as x, y, l, m, etc. are used to denote variable. So, variable can take various values. A variable does not have a fixed value. On the other hand, the value not change is called a constant. Constant have a fixed value. So, in an equation 7x square plus 5xy plus 8, x and y are variable and 8 is a constant. Algebraic expression formed by combining variable and constant with the help of plus, minus, into and division. Let us see how the algebraic expression 6x plus 9 formed. 6 is multiplied by x, then added by 9. Similarly, 14y minus 30. Y is multiplied by 14 and subtracted 30. So, students, this expression obtained the combining variable and constant with 4 operations. Okay, listen. Get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variables, constant and arithmetic operations. We know algebra expression is a combination of variable, constant and arithmetic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division sign. Okay. So here given some statements. Write it as in algebraic expression form. So first question, listen. Subtraction of z from y. So subtraction of z from y means y minus z. So this is an algebraic expression. Okay. Then the second question. 1/2 of the sum of the numbers x and y. So we know the sum of x and y is x plus y. Okay. So 1/2 of means half of x plus y. Then third question, listen. The number z multiplied by itself. So number itself, z multiplied by itself means z multiplied by one more times z. So z into z equal z square. Okay, that is an algebraic expression. Then 1/4 of the product of numbers p and q. We know the product of numbers p and q, p into q, that is pq. 1/4 of 1/4 of p into q. Next question, listen. Numbers x and y both squared and added. Square means x squared and y squared. So the numbers x and y both squared, x squared and y squared and added. Added plus, use symbol plus. So the numbers x and y both squared and added means x square plus y square. That is an algebraic expression. Then sixth question. Number 5 added to 3 times the product of the numbers m and n. So the product of m and n is mn. 3 times means 3 into mn. Okay. Then added to the number 5. added to the number 5. So, the algebra expression is 3mn plus 5. The number 5 is added to 3 times the product of mn. Product of mn is m into n, mn. 3 times means 3 into mn added to 5 plus 5. Okay, understood all of you? Now we will discuss terms of an expression. Consider the expression 9x plus 4. 9 multiply x and added 4. So, 9x plus 4 separated and added. So, these are terms. 9x is one term, 4 is the second term. Terms are added to form expressions. Five x plus 3y. In how many terms they have? It have two terms, 5x and 3y. 12mn plus 4m minus 6n. It has, yes, three terms. 12mn, 4m and minus 6n. Then what are its factors? Look at this. 3xy are the factors of 3xy. We can also express the expression 5x plus 10 by tree diagram. First write the terms 5xy. Then we can split the factors 5 into x into y. 5x, y are the factors. The second term is 10. Okay, listen, the next question. Identify the terms and factors in the expressions given below. So, here given the first expression is minus 4x plus 5. So, we know the terms. Terms are added to form an algebraic expression. Then the terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Listen to the first question. Minus 4x plus 5. So, this algebra expression contains two terms. The terms are minus 4x and second term is separated by the sign plus. So, that is 5. So, the terms are minus 4x and 5. Then, write the factors of minus 4x. So, minus 4x we get the product of minus 4 and x. So, factors are minus 4, x. Okay. Then, factors of 5, we know 1 into 5 is 5. So, the factors of 5 is 1 and 5. So, write as 5. Okay. Then, the next question is minus 4x plus 5y. So, the terms are separated by plus or minus sign. So, here contain two terms. One is minus 4x and the second is 5y. Okay. Then, minus 4x, the factors are minus 4, x, the product of minus 4 and x. 5y, yes, 5, y are the factors. Then, third question. 5y plus 3y square. Yes, the terms are 5y and 3y square. So, 5y the factors are 5, y. 3y, yes, 3, y square. Y square means y is multiplied by 2 times y into y. So, the y square factors are y, y. Then the next question, xy plus 2x square y square. So, xy plus. So, here the plus is separated by one term. So, we get the first term xy. The second term is, yes, 2x square y square. Then xy, the product of x and y is xy. So the factors are x comma y. Then 2x square y square, the factors are 2 comma x square we get, yes, x into x. So 2 comma x comma x comma y square, the factors multiply by y into y. So y comma y. Okay. Then listen this question number E. PQ plus Q. So we get the two term here, PQ one term, Q second term. So PQ and Q are the terms. PQ, the product of P and Q is PQ. So factors are P comma Q. Q only one variable. So that is Q as the factors. Then listen this question. 1.2 AB minus 2.4 B plus 3.6 A. 1.2 AB, that is the first term. Then the second term, minus 2.4 B. Take that sign also. Minus 2.4 B, the second term. Then the third term is plus, separated the second term. Then third term start plus 3.6a. So 3.6a. So then write the factors of 1.2ab, 1.2 comma, a comma b. Okay. Then minus 2.4ab we can write as minus 2.4 comma b. 3.6a is 3.6 comma a. Okay, understood all of you the terms and factors. The terms are added to form an expression. We can identify the terms, means the terms are separated by plus or minus sign. Okay. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. Show the terms and factors by tree diagram. So here given the expression equal to x minus 3. This is the expression. Then the terms we can write as terms are x and minus 3. These are the terms. Okay. Then this question we can write the expression equal to 1 plus x square. Terms here, 3 terms are here. First term 1, second term x, and the third term equal to x square. Then we can split this. X1 is the same factor, x as same factor, x square we can split as x into x. Okay. Then given the next expression is, next algebraic expression equal to y minus yq. Then the terms are, we can write the terms equal to 2 terms here. The first term is y and the second term is minus yq. The factors of y is same as y, but the y cube is we can write as minus 1 into y into y. How many times y multiply? 3 times. Okay. y into y. Then 5x square y as the expression. So here given the expression equal to 5xy square plus 7x square y. Then the terms are two terms here. First is 5xy square. The second is 7x square y. Then we can split the factors or trees. 5x square, 5 into x into y into y. Okay. 5 into x into y into y square. Then 7x square we can write as 7 into x into again x into y. 7 into x into x square into y. Then next given the algebraic expression equal to minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. Then write the terms. How many terms here? Yes, 3 terms. The first term is minus ab, second term 2b square, then third term is minus 3a square. Okay. Then write the terms. So minus ab we can write as minus 1 into a into b. Okay. 2b square we can write as 2 into b into b. Then minus 3a square we can write as minus 1 into 3 into a into a. Okay. Minus 1 into a into b minus ab. 2 into b into b 2b square. Then minus 1 into 3 minus 3 into a square. Understood all of you the factors and terms and factors by tree diagrams method? The numerical factors of a variable terms is called its coefficient. See, in the term 5xy, 5 is the coefficient of the term. 12x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. It has 3 terms. 12, 4, 4. Okay, identify the numerical coefficients of the terms other than the constants. Listen, other than the constant. Write the numerical coefficient of the terms in the following expression. So first given the expression is 5 minus 3t square. So we know 5 is the constant term. So we want to write the numerical coefficient of the terms other than the constant. So the next term is minus 3t square. Okay, minus 3t square. Then write the coefficient. What is the coefficient? The numerical factor of the variable. Here the variable is t square. So the numerical factor is yes minus 3. Minus 3 as the coefficient. Okay. Second question, listen. 1 plus t square plus t cube. How many times here? Yes, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the first term 1 is the constant term. No need to write here. We want to write other than the constant numbers. Constant. Next term, second term is t. The numerical coefficient of t is, yes, here 1. Okay, 1 into t is t. So the numerical coefficient is 1. Then the next term is t square. What is the numerical coefficient of t square? Yes, 1 into t square is t square. So the numerical coefficient 1. The fourth term is t cube. Numerical coefficient is here, yes, 1 into 2 cube is t cube. So the coefficient, t cube of coefficient is 1. The next question, x plus 2xy plus 3y. So here no constant term. Okay, so the first term is x. Then what is the coefficient of x? Yes, here 1 into x is x. So the value of the numerical coefficient is 1. Then the second term is 2xy. Very simple. The numerical coefficient is here given 2. So 2 was the coefficient. Okay. Then third term is 3y. Numerical coefficient is yes 3. So 3y the coefficient 3, 2xy coefficient 2x here 1 coefficient. Then 100m and 1000n. So the first term is 100n. Numerical coefficient of n is 100. Then 100m, 1000n. So the numerical coefficient of n is 1000. Okay, understood all of you? Then minus p square q square plus 7pq. The first term is minus p square q square. Listen here, minus 1 into p square q square. So here the numerical coefficient or coefficient of p square q square is minus 1. The next term is 7pq. Yes, numerical coefficient is 7. Then 1.2a plus 0.8b. So the first term 1.2a. Coefficient of 1.2a is 1.2. Okay. Then next term is plus. Separated the term. The next term is second term is 0.8b. Coefficient is 0.8b. Coefficient of b is 0.8. Okay. Identify the terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. First question, y square x plus y. So identify the term contain is x is yes y square x. Y square x, write the coefficient of x. So this value is here given y square x. Y square into x is y square x. The coefficient is of x is y square. Then second question, 13y square minus 8yx. Term with the x is minus. Take that sign also. Minus 8yx. So the coefficient of x is minus 8 into y into x is minus 8yx. So the coefficient of x is minus 8y. Then x plus y plus z. Terms with the x is only x. The coefficient of x is here yes. The numerical value of x 1. Then 5 plus zx. So terms with the x is zx. Coefficient of x is z. Okay. Then here terms with the x 1 plus xy. Two terms there. One is x. The coefficient of x is equal to 1. Then xy. The coefficient of xy is equal to y into x. X into y equal to y into x. So the coefficient of x is y. Okay. Then 12xy square plus 25. So term with the x is 12xy square. So the coefficient of x is yes 12y square. 12y square. Then 7x plus xy square. So here the two terms contains x. So 7x coefficient of x is 7. X y square that is equal to y square x. So we can write as the coefficient of x is y square. Understood all of you? When terms have the same algebraic factors, they are called like terms. When the terms have different algebraic factors, they are called unlike terms. Let us see algebraic expression 4xy minus 5x plus 3xy plus 2. 4xy and 3xy, the algebraic factors same x and y. 3xy we can write as 3 into x into y. So algebraic factors 4xy and 3xy both are same x and y. So they are like terms. See the terms 4xy and minus 5x. See the factors 4xy, 4xy, minus 5x, minus 5 and x. State whether the given pair of terms is of like or unlike term. What is like term? Same algebraic expression. When terms having same algebraic expression. Terms having same algebraic expression is like term. Okay. So unlike term is terms having different algebraic expression equal unlike term. Unlike term. So here find out the like term and unlike term. First here the question is 10, 1 and 100. So both are constant term 1 and 100. So these are like term. Okay. Like term. Then the second question, listen. Minus 7x 5 by 2x. See the terms having same algebra expression x, same variable. So this is same as like terms. Then third question, listen. Minus 29x and minus 29y. Here one is in x algebra expression and the second is y. Different algebra expressions, variable, different variables. So this is unlike terms. Then 14xy, 42yx. See, xy means x into y. Then yx is y into x, but the both are same. X into y equal to y into x. So xy, yx are same algebraic expression, same algebraic variable. So that is like term. Like terms. Then listen. 4m square p 4mp square. M square p means m into 2 times m into p. mp square is m one time, p how many times? Yes, 2 times. So here different algebraic expression m square, p, mp square. So this is unlike terms. Powers are different. Then sixth question, listen. 12xz, 12x square z square. X is z, x into z. Only here how many variables here? Only one variable, x and z only. Then x square z square means x into 2 times x and z into z. See, the powers are different. So, these are different algebraic variables here. Different powers of algebraic expression. So, this is unlike terms. Okay, clear all of you? The like terms and unlike terms. The algebra expression contains same variable or constant, same constant term. They are like terms, or different variable or different powers of variable is unlike terms. Algebraic expression that contain only one term are called monomial. 18ab. That's only one term. That is a monomial. 5m plus 2. 5m and 2. Algebra expression that contain two terms are called binomial. 5m plus 2, two terms. One is 5m and the second is 2. 6a plus 4b minus c. Algebra expression that contain three terms are called trinomials. The three terms are 6a, 4b and minus 2c. 18ab, one term monomial. 5m plus 2 binomial. 3x, 6x plus 4b minus 2c trinomial. So remember, all algebraic expression have 1, 2, 3 or more terms are called polynomials. Classify into monomials, binomials and trinomials. We know the monomial is an algebra expression contains only one term, monomials. An algebra expression contains two terms, binomial, and algebra expression contains three terms, trinomial. Listen the first question. 4y minus 7z. 4y is one term and minus 7z is second term. So this contains how many terms? Two terms here. So this is a binomial. Example of binomial. Listen the second question. Y square. Y square contains only one term. So this is a monomial. An algebraic expression contains only one term, monomial. Here x plus y minus xy contain how many terms? Three terms. So an algebra expression contains three terms, that is trinomial. Fourth question. 100. 100 only one term is there, that's a constant term. An algebra expression contains only one term, monomial. Then fifth question. AB minus A minus B. So this contains how many terms? Three terms. So an algebra expression contains three terms, trinomial. Sixth question. 5 minus 3t. Two terms here. So yes, binomial. And the last question, listen. 4p square q minus 4pq square contain two terms, binomial. So an algebra expression contain only one term, monomial, two terms, binomial, and three terms, trinomial. Understood all of you?